Hi kids, hello बच्चों. This is a heart. This is a triangle. This is a square. This is a circle. This is a star. And this is a hexagon. Orange color. The heart is of orange color. Red color. The triangle is of red color. A triangle has 3 sides. Yellow color. The square is of yellow color. A square has 4 equal sides. Green color. The circle is of green color. A circle has no sides. Pink color. The star is of pink color. The star shines bright in the sky. And blue color. The hexagon is of blue color. The hexagon has 6 equal sides. Let's revise. चलो फिर से करते हैं. Heart orange, triangle red, square yellow, circle green, star pink and hexagon blue. Simple. चलो कल मिलते हैं. बाय बाय.